Welcome to the IC School of Holistic Health, which is a place of learning the work of spirit and embodying spirituality. Our school is a place of light, where we find that we are the light of the infinite. We all have this light within us, but is clouded by the programming, the conditioning of the mind. Our work is centered in the heart. We teach the spirituality of the light in various disciplines. We teach classic shamanism, both for beginners and those who wish to become practitioners, in short and longer programs, from 1-day programs to 2 years. We teach the path of the living light, the path of Isis, the ancient Egyptian spirituality that is so sacred and so beautiful. The aim of this path is ascension into our own infinite spirit. And this path has been on the earth for thousands of years, but the last time that was practiced was in ancient Egypt. And this is what we bring forward. We teach the path of the priesthood, the sacred priesthood of the moon, where we share how to do ceremony, how to facilitate workshops and ceremonies, and especially how to work with the wheel of the year and the fire festivals, the equinoxes, the solstices, when the energy around the earth is at its highest, and how to honor change in nature and within ourselves. We share teachings on meditation, teachings on therapy, therapeutic past life regression, and various other things. We have circles, workshops, retreats, work in nature, work online, work in person. Please visit our website and maybe you will find the program that is right for you, or join our newsletter where we have articles, channelings, and more information about all the work that we do. Our work is centered in the heart, the path of inner transformation, the path of embodiment of our gifts, our spiritual gifts, the gifts of our heart, the gifts of our light. Welcome to our work. Thank you.